Electricity is one of the most common causes of fatal accidents in installation work. Solar adds a unique hazard. A panel makes electricity whenever light hits it, even when switched off at the inverter. You cannot switch off the sun. These rules could save your life. Electricity is dangerous because the body conducts it. As little as 50 milliamps through the chest can stop the heart, far less than it takes to light a single bulb. And wet skin lowers your resistance, making the same voltage far more dangerous. Solar direct current is especially hazardous. Under direct current, muscles lock, so you cannot let go as easily. Its arcs are hard to put out and can start fires. And the panels stay live in daylight even when the inverter is off. So follow 3 golden rules. Never touch a circuit you have not proven dead. Always isolate the source before working. And never work alone on a live circuit. A meter reading of 0 volts, not a guess, is what makes it safe. Protect yourself with the right gear. Insulated gloves rated for the voltage, inspected before every use, safety glasses, non-conductive footwear, and no rings, chains, or loose metal which conduct and can cause severe burns. To shut a system down safely, work in order. Cover the panels, open the isolator, wait 5 minutes for stored charge to drain, then measure for 0 volts. A display showing 0 is not enough. Measure it yourself. If someone is shocked, do not touch them while they are still live, or you become the second victim. Cut the power or push them clear with dry wood. Once it is safe, check breathing, start CPR, and call for help. So, above all, assume every circuit is live until you have measured it, isolate and verify before you touch, and never do live work alone. Respect electricity, and it stays a tool, not a threat.